Hello dear students, in this video we are going to do trigonometry part 2, that is lesson number 3, chapter number 3, trigonometry part 2. Here we have started this chapter already in the previous video. Exercise 3.3 is going on. We derived in the previous video, इसके पहले के वीडियो में हमने sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta, multiple angles, that is trigonometric functions of double angles. So we have proved formulae for that. Trigonometric functions of triple angle, that is sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta and tan 3 theta. This also we have proved in the previous video. Exercise 3.3, question number 1 or 2. Already we have started question number 3. Question number 3 का first, second और first and second questions, sub questions we did in the previous video. इस वीडियो में हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. एक्सरसाइज 3.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का see which question we are will start, that is third sub question. So let's do third sub question. Third sub question is what? Cos x plus cos y. Listen, LHS I am writing, that is question number 3. Question number 3, third sub question. Third sub question. LHS is equal to what? Cos x plus cos y. Cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square. Sin x minus sin y whole square. Here we expand this bracket. अगर इस ब्रैकेट को हम एक्सपेंड करते हैं, so what will be the expansion here? Cos square x, 2 cos x cos y आएगा, 2 cos x into cos y आएगा, plus cos square y. This is expansion of the first bracket plus expansion of the second bracket is what? Sin square x minus 2 sin x sin y. 2 sin x into sin y plus sin square y plus what? Sin square y. Now this cos square x plus sin square x, cos square y plus sin square y, it gives us 1 plus, यहाँ से 2 कॉमन लेते मिडिल टर्म में से, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y sin x sin y, and this cos square y plus sin square y, again it is equal to 1, so it is 1 and this last one it will be 2 plus 2 times what is this? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, it is cos of a plus b. So it is cos of a plus b, मतलब x plus y. This is equal to 2 common from this, it is 1 plus cos of x plus y. Now 1 plus cos theta is what? See, formula is this: 1 plus cos theta, that is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay, it is 2 cos square theta by 2. So we use this formula over here. 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Then this will be equal to 2 as it is, यहाँ पे 2 as it is, और ये 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2, that is theta by 2 मतलब x plus y upon 2. Okay, now this gives us 4 cos square x plus y upon 2, 4 cos square x plus y upon 2. Yes, see this we have done Third sub question, 4 cos square x plus y upon 2. Done. It is right hand side. Then fourth सब क्वेश्चन इज एग्जैक्टली सिमिलर क्वेश्चन है. यहाँ पे 1 माइनस आएगा, 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा इज 2 साइन स्क्वेयर थीटा बाय 2. तो ऐसे हमें 1 माइनस कॉस ऑफ एक्स माइनस वाई आएगा, दैट इज 2 साइन स्क्वेयर एक्स माइनस वाई अपॉन 2. नाउ वी विल डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th. So 5th sub question we will do tan x plus cot x, tan x plus cot x. See here, 5th sub question, LHS is equal to what is our LHS? Tan x plus cot x, tan x plus cot x. ठीक है. Then it is equal to, what is tan x? We will write it sin x upon cos x, और cot को लिखेंगे हम cos x upon sin x. यहाँ पे LCM आएगा cos x sin x will be LCM. Cross multiplication will give you sin square x plus cos square x. Sin square plus cos square it is equal to 1. यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में sin x plus cos x मिलेगा आपको. मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय 2, so it is 2 sin x cos x. Yes, this is equal to 2 times 2 upon 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Yes, sin 2x. 1 upon sin 2x is cosec, so it will be cosec of 2x, right hand side. What we want to prove here? 2 cosec 2x. Yes. The next question is root of 2 plus again root of 2 plus 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta. So here we use formula, repeatedly we will use this formula, 1 plus cos of 2 theta, that is equal to 2 cos square theta, मतलब इससे हाफ एंगल होगा. So this formula we repeatedly use. We use this formula repeatedly. 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. So here LHS we will write. We are going to solve 7th sub question. What is LHS? इसमें LHS क्या है? Square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 times cos of 8x. यहाँ पे see this here, 2 plus 2 cos 8x. So take 2 common from there. It is square root of 2 plus again square root of 2 plus square root of 2 common 1 plus cos of 8x. 1 plus cos 8x मतलब 2 times of cos square 4x आएगा. See here it is root of 2 plus again root of 2 plus square root 2 into this 1 plus cos 8x, that is equal to what? 2 times of cos square 4x. 8x का 4x होगा. हाँ, this will be equal to square root of 2 plus again square root of 2 plus ये 4 cos square root of what? 4 cos square of 4x. Now square root of 4 cos square 4x is what? 2 cos 4x. Square root निकल जाएगा. It is equal to root of it is equal to root of 2 plus root of 2 plus ये होगा 2, square root of that will be 2, and it is cos of 4x. Here 2 again we will take common, and it will give us square root of 2 plus square root of 2 common 1 plus cos of 4x. Now 1 plus cos 4x is 2 cos square 2x. So it is root of 2 plus root of 2 into 1 plus cos 4x, that is 2 cos square 2x, which is equal to root of 2 plus root of 2 into 2 4 cos square of 2x, cos square of 2x. Now square root of 4 cos square 2x is what? It is 2 cos 2x. यहाँ से हम again we will take 2 common, 1 plus cos 2x आएगा, and it is equal to what? 2 times 1 plus cos 2x is what? 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. 2 cos square x. Square root of 4 cos square x आएगा, and it is equal to 2 times of cos x. Yes, which is required in the right hand side. See, we want to show it is equal to what? We want to show it is equal to 2 cos x. हमने यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया है. 2v2 कॉमन, 1 plus cos 8x is 2 cos square 4x. Square root of 4 cos square 4x is 2 cos 2x, 2 common लिया. 1 plus cos 4x is again 2 cos square 2x, इसका half. 4 cos square 2x का square root 2 cos 2x, फिर 2 common लिया तो 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x, इसका half angle होगा 2x का half angle x. 4 cos square x is square root is 2 cos x. Done. Here we will do now 8th sub question. Sub question number 8. 16. See here, 8th sub question 16. LHS is what? LHS is equal to 16 sin theta cos theta cos of 2 theta cos of 4 theta, and last is cos of 8 theta. Yes, सारे एंगल्स डबल है. हाँ, अभी we will use here this formula 2 sin theta into cos theta. It is equal to what? Sin of 2 theta. Sin of 2 theta. Repeatedly we will use this 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to what? Sin 2 theta. ये हम repeatedly use करेंगे, so we will get the right hand side. Here 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So this is equal to 16 है तो हम लिखेंगे 8 into 2 sin theta into cos theta. Yes, cos of 2 theta as it is cos of 4 theta also as it is, cos of 8 theta also as it is. Then 2 sin theta cos theta is sin of 2 theta. 8 sin of 2 theta into cos of 2 theta into cos of 4 theta into cos of 8 theta. अब यहाँ से 8 में से 2 बाहर लेते हैं and we will write 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta. This is equal to 4 times 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta cos 4 theta into cos 8 theta. Yes. Now see here, this 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta is sin of 4 theta. 4 into sin of 4 theta into cos of 4 theta into cos of 8 theta, which is वापस 2 यहाँ से कॉमन लेते 2 टाइम्स ऑफ साइन ऑफ 4 थीटा इंटू कॉस 4 थीटा, यस, इंटू कॉस ऑफ 8 थीटा. So 2 sin 4 theta into cos of 4 theta is equal to what? Sin of 8 theta is equal to what? Sin of 8 theta into cos of 8 theta is there. Now 2 sin 8 theta cos 8 theta will become sin of इसका डबल मतलब 16 theta, which is required in the RHS. Which is required in the RHS. 2 sin 8 theta into cos 8 theta will be equal to sin of 2 times of 8 theta is 16 theta. This is what question number 8, sub question 8. We will do now question number 9. Sub question 9 is what? Sin 3x upon cos x, cos 3x upon sin x. We want to show is equal to 2 cot 2x. Question number 9, LHS is equal to sin 3x upon cos x plus cos 3x upon sin x. Yeah, this is equal to LCM is cos x into sin x. Sin 3x cross multiplication will give you sin 3x into sin x plus cos 3x into cos x. Yes, we rewrite this cos 3x into cos x plus sin 3x into sin x, sin 3x into sin x divided by sin x cos x. Now cos a cos b plus sin a sin b is cos of a minus b, तो ये आएगा cos of 3x minus x a minus b और upon sin x cos x, which is cos of 3x minus x is cos of 2x upon, यहाँ पे 2 रिक्वायर्ड है तो 2 मल्टीप्लाई करते 2 sin x cos x. Here also we multiply by 2. So what will be the denominator here? Denominator आएगा 2 cos 2x upon 2 sin x cos x, that is equal to sin of 2x, which is 2 times of cos upon sin is equal to what? Cot of 2x which is equal to RHS, which is equal to RHS. 2 cot 2x we want to show. 2 cot 2x we want to show. Yes. Now 10th sub question. Let's start 10th sub question. Cos x upon 1 plus sin x. Sub question number 10. Cos x upon 1 plus sin x. This is equal to cos x. Cos x we can write as cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. So it is simple question. Upon this 1 we write sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2, and this sin x we will write as 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, which is cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, that is a square minus b square. So cos of x by 2 plus sin of x by 2, that is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, that is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, and upon here a square b square 2ab, that is equal to a plus b whole square, means cos of x by 2 plus sin of x by 2 whole square. Now what we can cancel, यहाँ पे cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 cancel होगा, and we will get here cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Now as we want to express it in terms of cot, तो हम डिवाइड करेंगे साइन से, साइन x by 2 से डिवाइड करना है. दिस इज इक्वल टू cos x by 2 अपॉन sin x by 2, यहाँ पे रहेगा -1 अपॉन cos x by 2 अपॉन sin x by 2 प्लस यहाँ पे रहेगा +1. Now cos upon sin is equal to what? Cot, and we will get here cot x by 2 minus 1 cot x by 2 plus 1. Yes, it is right hand side. So what we want to show? Cot of x by 2 minus 1 upon cot of x by 2 plus 1. We will do now 11th question. 11th question is tan of theta by 2 plus cot of theta by 2 upon cot of theta by 2 minus tan of theta by 2. We want to show it is equal to sec theta. Sec theta show करना है. 11th question, LHS is equal to tan theta by 2. We'll express it in terms of sin upon cos. Cot theta by 2, इसको हम लिखेंगे cos upon sin. Cot of theta by 2 plus minus tan of theta by 2. So it is equal to या तो cot theta by 2 plus tan theta by 2 see here, cot tan is what? Sine upon cos, sine theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 upon sine theta by 2 divided by sine cos theta by 2 upon sine theta by 2 minus sine theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2. सिंप्लीफाइड, यहाँ पे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा एंड इट इज साइन स्क्वायर थीटा बाय 2 प्लस क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन विल गिव अस cos स्क्वायर थीटा बाय 2 अपॉन cos थीटा बाय 2 इंटू साइन थीटा बाय 2 आएगा, इंटू और साइन थीटा बाय 2, ये होगा न्यूमरेटर। और डिनोमिनेटर देखो, ऐसे ही डिनोमिनेटर में साइन थीटा बाय 2 cos थीटा बाय 2 इज द एलसीएम, cos स्क्वायर थीटा बाय 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Cos square plus sin square is 1, so let's write it is equal to 1. ये sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 is getting cancel over here. यहाँ पे 1 आएगा अपॉन cos square theta by 2 minus sin square थीटा बाय 2, ठीक है, इट इज इक्वल टू cos स्क्वायर थीटा बाय 2 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा बाय 2 इज व्हाट? cos ऑफ थीटा, इज व्हाट? cos ऑफ थीटा, एंड 1 अपॉन cos थीटा इज sec थीटा विच इज रिक्वायर्ड इन द राइट हैंड साइड। यहाँ पे राइट हैंड साइड में आपको शो करना है sec थीटा, sec थीटा, so we are getting right hand side. Now we will do question number 12. One upon tan 3a minus tan a minus, see your LHS is what? 12th sub question, 1 upon tan 3a minus tan a minus 1 upon cot 3a minus cot a. We want to show it is equal to cot of 2a. This is our LHS. इट इज़ 1 अपॉन फर्स्ट टर्म को हम ऐसे लिखेंगे tan 3a माइनस tan a, फर्स्ट टर्म ऐसे लिखेंगे माइनस 1 अपॉन कॉट को लिखना है हमें 1 अपॉन tan 3a माइनस 1 अपॉन tan a, दिस इज इक्वल टू first term as it is we will write 1 upon tan 3a minus tan a minus, इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे हम, what will be the LCM of denominator? It is tan 3a into tan a is LCM of denominator, यहाँ पे आएगा tan a माइनस tan 3a, ठीक है ना, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन। फिर ये रेसिप्रोकल है तो ऊपर जाएगा, इट इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन tan 3a माइनस tan a, और इसको प्रॉपर फॉर्म में लिखेंगे हम tan 3a इंटू tan a, यस, अपॉन, यहाँ से हम माइनस साइन कॉमन लेते हैं, तो माइनस साइन कॉमन लेने पर ये आएगा tan 3a, पहले आएगा minus tan a, yes. Here now denominator is same, ये minus और minus negative sign will become plus. It is equal to 1 upon tan of 3a minus tan of a plus here tan 3a into tan a upon tan 3a minus tan a. अब LCM, see denominator is same, so we will write it 1 plus tan 3a into tan a upon denominator is tan 3a minus tan a. इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, इट इज 1 अपॉन दिस होल, that is tan 3a minus tan a upon 1 plus tan 3a into tan a into what tan. So what is this? Tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. Denominator हमको देखना है. This is equal to 1 upon, देखो tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. It is tan of a minus b, मतलब 3a minus a आएगा, which is equal to 1 upon tan of 2a, and 1 upon tan of 2 is cot of 2a RHS. Yes, we want to show it is equal to cot of 2a. Is cot of 2a. So सबसे पहले cot जो है सेकेंड टर्म में उसको tan में एक्सप्रेस किया, LCM लिया है, और दिस इज वी हैव फॉर्म tan ऑफ a माइनस b, उसको उल्टा करते हैं, और देन डिनोमिनेटर इज व्हाट tan 3a minus tan a, tan 3a minus tan a. तो ऐड न्यूमरेटर्स, फिर इसको उल्टा करते हैं रेसिप्रोकल, और 1 अपॉन tan ऑफ a माइनस b का फार्मूला है, एंड इट गिव्स cot ऑफ 2a. सो वी विल डू नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, okay, 13, 14 and remaining questions. So here we have shown it is equal to cot of 2a. Next question is 13th question. See, these remaining questions we do in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.